La-di-da. On the way.
And me and Andrew are gonna go on our first grocery shop date. Girl, what neck? Told myself I'll come on camera looking a badder bitch, giving my Sundays best for you, and I come and show like this with the bob. Ooh, when I was taking out my old hair, okay, my black girls know, like when you take out your living with a man is like different because the sound effects they make. Anyways, when you take out your hair and you cut it and then you cut in the bob, it's like, and you're like, maybe I should get short hair, and you never do it. But this time it was kind of giving. I did look like somebody's mom and somebody's auntie, but like, I'll show and you tell me. This bob is nasty. And if all of you guys are like, get the bob, I'll do it. But if you're doing that just so that I can embarrass myself in the streets, we're fighting. But we're going on our I said a lot of things that weren't necessary, but we're going on our first grocery shop date in downtown Toronto, and I need you guys to help me pick an outfit. Oh, here comes the noisemaker. Come say hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Also, fun fact, I've been doing Duolingo to learn Spanish because I don't know, there's something about Espanol that just like tickles my ear. And imagine I'm just kind of like, hola baddies, and like speaking straight Spanish. You guys would be gagged. Like, it's, I feel like it'll like elevate my baddie status.
We'll fit right in Miami.
Yes. And fun fact, I'm forcing it. I am so forcing it. I was gonna say half Cuban, but like not even.
Baby, yes you are.
Afro Latina. No. So basically, is it the math on that?
Pretty sure, yeah. Quarter Cuban.
Basically, my grandpa on my mom's side was born in Cuba. And then during like the Fidel Castro stuff, he like hopped on a boat at LAX with a dream in his cardigan and went. He doesn't understand a reference. That's another thing. Dating an older man. Like, do you not know Part of the USA, Miley Cyrus?
Yeah. I know that one.
Then why are you standing there looking? Wait, let's stay on task. I did not take my ADHD meds this morning yet, as you can tell, and I had a huge cup of coffee. So the brain is humongo jumbo. So yeah, he hopped on that boat to Jamaica and then met my grandma and then had my mom and then she had me.
Romantic.
So it's giving barely Cuban. Like none of that family speaks Spanish at all.
But her kids will.
Our kids will speak Spanish?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm thinking our kids will speak Spanish, English, and then Ukrainian, because Chippendales is Ukrainian. Say hi.
Hi.
No, in Ukrainian.
Привет.
Привет, baddies! The main reason I want them to learn Spanish because one, it's a beautiful language, but two, Sabrina, one of my best friends, is Espanol. Well, she's Dominican, Republica. And her kids are gonna call me Tia, and I want my kids to call her Tia. So I want them to like speak language and like, you know.
That'd be cute.
Anyways, still tangled and I don't have my leave-in conditioner. Scent of the day, my way. Giorgiamani. Fun fact, she'll gonna do this for Black History Month. Y'all know. I do not want chub rub, chafing in the grocery store.
Never.
Never. Red. Black. Red or black?
I like a black.
I'm gonna go black.
Oh.
Okay, black wins.
Winner.
Running shoes are always mandatory because there's so much walking in the city.
We're gonna be running.
Running! So you're gonna be like,
6 with my walks.
okay, come on. Drake. We got Drake at home. So don't be surprised when one day I post a video and you're gonna be like, waist wear? Who is that? Get it glow, get it glow, get it glow, get it glow. Gracias. Baddies, we're en route. Chip, are you excited for our first ever grocery day?
I'm excited.
I'm
What
so
are we
excited.
gonna get?
We don't know, but there's this new app. I'll tell you guys about it inside, but en route.
Delicious.
The most delicious.
Do you want a fuzzy pickle?
Always. Coming to grocery store with Andrew is so funny because if he sees something he has never had before, he's like, let's get it. Have any of you guys tried golden berries before? And if so, let him know if they're good because he wants them. To be honest, these tomatoes have seen better days. On the hunt to find ones that aren't on this last leg. Chip's favorite part.
Yeah.
Come on, he's practicing that Jamaican accent. And it's good price.
Oh my god.
Can you tell he's excited for our Jamaica trip?
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Give me chocolate.
Low-key baddies, it's kind of busy in here and I can't go crazy, stupid, wild like I did in my last grocery vlog because
Too crazy.
we're new to these ends and I don't want to embarrass myself.
Oh my god.
Guys, that dance montage you just saw, I had to redo my part because Chip and Jill over there didn't record the first one, and the first one I was going crazy, I was going wild. But this time there's more people around, and like I said, I refuse to embarrass myself.
But you're a naturally born dancer.
Yeah. So maybe this year of 25, I'm gonna be practicing rejection therapy, doing whatever the hell I want in public, so that eventually I don't give a damn, and I could be doing the jerk and the cat daddy in public.
Oh yeah.
Unfazed.
Times Square.
Times Square. Baddies, always inspect your eggs. Okay, well, I said check to see if there's any cracks.
You said
smelling
inspect.
Any cracks?
I don't think so.
Okay, then we're good. Crack free. This is the best tomato sauce ever, but it's always an arm and a leg.
God damn, man. It's 2 arms and 2 legs.
Like, it's so good, but like I don't know if it's $10 better good.
I think it's just cheaper at Costco, right?
Yeah.
But jeez, Bravo. Daddy's look at this.
Oh, he said it's AI generated.
It is. It's so funny.
Okay, baddies, we're back from grocery shopping. We're gonna show you everything we got and guess the subtotal, because low-key, you'll be surprised.
Yeah, I'll tell you after.
However, you know we're true. You know what? We are true peak adulting right now, because guess what we got? Get that the card. We got a granny card. Can you lift it up, or is it too heavy? Strong man. I don't know, there's just something so like cunt walking around with a shopping cart. Like, ta-da! So we got this diet caffeine free Coca-Cola because Chippendales is trying to get off caffeine for now. We found the baddest tomatoes out of that ugly bunch.
We got 3 of these, 4 of these.
Is there a good deal? A cucumber. And a sweet chili sauce. Betta.
And eggs.
Granola bars.
Pita, because I need a pita.
Lettuce. I don't know what it is, but romaine hearts. That is my bougie luxury treat. I feel like iceberg lettuce does not hit for me, but a romaine heart, girl, crispy, crunchy, juicy.
She's a good one. Tortilla, see.
Hurricane Katrina, no, hurricane.
Tortilla.
Do you know that line?
Yes.
Hurricane tortilla. These oven trays and a big old bag of potatoes.
A good old 10-pounder. I think they're in season. This was just under $2.
Oh.
Believe it or not, Ripley's believe it or not.
And then the grand total for all the timber. Grand total. Drum roll.
$42.
I don't know if that's a good deal. It feels like a good deal.
It's not bad. It's pretty decent.
Decent.
It's decent. Yeah. Now let's dig in.
So I'm a little annoying. We wipe off our groceries just because of like, fun fact, my mom has made me be doing this my whole life. Not just because of COVID, but I don't know. Going to the grocery store and seeing how people behave and act, like I could see somebody, achoo, all over. All over. Dig, dig, dig. Look at it. Sometimes they take a snack, but sometimes they look at it and maybe they go like this because they're such gracious people. But sometimes people that aren't gracious pick up the thing with their booger hand. I've seen crotch scratches, butt scratches. I've seen itchy, 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 and then you see sometimes like the flakes will fall off and they'll touch things. And I'm like, brother, like my immune system is not strong enough. I am not your strongest soldier.
Oh, bueno.
So we wipe and then put away and then wipe down the counters after. It's a busy day today. We just did the grocery and now we're gonna run to Ikea for some returns.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna get some extra cool stuff.
Yeah, bonus.
Bonus. Oh.
Love you.
We're walking because we're trying to get all our steps in. And also it takes the same amount of time by streetcar, by subway, as it does walking.
Yeah, exactly. So why not walk?
Why not? Update, we just realized that our pottery that we made for my birthday is ready to be picked up, so we're gonna go there first and then Ikea.
Hopefully it came out great.
Let's see if it came out great. It just got so hot out of nowhere, we're sweating. We made it. Woot woot. We're trying to find our names. Any luck?
I think so. I think it's maybe.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's small.
Tiny. Want me to open it or not yet?
No, we'll do a big reveal at the later in the video.
Stick around, guys.
Now it's time to go to
Ikea. Can't wait. What do I want to be there? We made it.
Testing out the chairs. We are trying to find lights because, as you know, content creator. So I'm trying to make all the lights white in the bathroom. Is it giving? Versus yellow light. Look how obnoxious he is. Like, you would think it was like heavy. Ooh, are you baddies an Ikea meatball fan? Are you?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
He looks like he's trying to convince himself that he likes them.
They're good. I like it. Ikea.
Trying to find Chip a new chair, but fun fact, Andrew breaks his chairs so much because show them what you do in your chair. He bangs all the way back. What business does he have doing that?
There's a handle. I don't know if it works though.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
The way he leans is taking me out. Oh my god, okay. Winner? Chicken dinner?
Chicken dinner. I grabbed my Mai Tai.
He has to set the scene in order to know if the chair is right. He has to pretend like he's in it. With his coffee, the whole schman. His mimosas.
It's not bad.
Not bad. How about that one? That one's a cool guy. He just refuses to walk.
A little high.
Adjust, honey.
Not at all. Just keep my snacks in there. Sitting.
He's made himself at home.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!